Success! Are you alright? What's the problem?
My mom is in hospital. My dad is in police station.
Hey, yeah, sorry. Poor girl, sorry. Is there anywhere I can help?
I want to go home.
You want to go home? Okay, you can go, I permit you. Pick your bag. Wait, let me help you. You can go, You're permitted to go home. You have my permission. Make sure you come back when you're alright too. Poor girl. Chai.
Auntie,
Yes?
where is Success going to?
She's going home. I gave her permission.
Why?
Her mom is in the hospital and her dad is in police station.
Her dad is a policeman and her mom is a nurse. Where else are they supposed to be?
Success. Hey! Success! Success!
I'm not hearing you.
I know you can hear me. Come back here.
Permission is permission. I'm going home.
Hey, I will lose my job. Success, come back.
Auntie, take.
What's this? Dear auntie, please, I need permission to go home and see the dentist. Hey, yeah, you want to go and see the dentist?
Yes.
Where?
At home.
Hey, yeah, so you have toothache. No wonder your face has been like this since. Don't worry, I'll grant you permission to go home, yeah? So when are you coming back?
Tomorrow.
No, come back on Monday. I've had toothache before, I know how it feels.
Okay.
Permission granted. Go, give this to the driver. Tell him I granted you permission to go home. You'll be fine, Carry your school bag. Sorry.
Good morning, principal.
Thank you very much. Just have your seat. Sit down. How are you?
I'm fine.
Hope you are learning.
Yes, sir.
Ishiakin. Please, I need it fast, okay? Auntie, where is Success?
She went home. She went to see the dentist.
Dentist? Does she have toothache?
I think so, because the dentist is already at her house.
But from her medical report, there's no such thing like that. And if peradventure she developed any tooth issue, the guardian ought to have reported to the school authority. Success. Who granted her permission?
Me.
Why will you grant a child permission without my knowledge?
I'm sorry, sir. She said her teeth was paining her and the doctor is already in her house.
And so, you ought to clarify with me first.
I'm sorry, sir.
Who took her home?
It's the driver.
That means she must have gotten home by now. Please call the uncle.
Success, see your uncle. Go and meet him. I'll see you in school on Monday, yeah?
Okay, bye-bye. Uncle Kibran, good morning.
Good morning. Have school closed?
No.
It's ringing.
Hello, sir.
Hello?
This is Success principal. So sorry to disturb you, sir. Sir, please, is Success with you there?
Yes, she is.
Okay, please, can I speak with her?
Okay. Success. Your principal wants to talk to you.
Good morning, principal.
Hello, Success.
Yes.
Are you sick?
No.
Do you have toothache?
No.
So, which dentist did you go home to see?
Principal, the dentist is the movie that my uncle bought yesterday night. And I don't want him to watch it alone. Because if he watch it alone, he will not allow me to watch it again.
Success! So you took permission from school to go and see a movie?
Yes, sir.
Please, I want you to come back to school now!
But principal, my auntie granted me permission to go.
No, that permission is null and void. I'm the only one that's supposed to grant you permission in this school, okay? Come back to school now! I mean, now! Give this phone to your uncle.
Uncle, take.
Hello?
Sir, please, so sorry about the inconveniences. Success is not supposed to leave school now. Sir, please help us get Success back to school.
Okay, no problem.
Alright, thank you, sir.
Success! We are going back to your school now. Oh yeah, let's go.
But uncle, I'm not doing anything in school and we have finished revision and today is Thursday.
Is that why you're going to leave school by this time? Is something wrong with you? Why your mate are in school there studying? You came back here to come and see a movie with me. Is something wrong with you? And you're not even owing school fees. My friend, let's go back to school.
Are you a kidnapper?
No, I'm not a kidnapper. I'm your uncle.
But you are not my father.
What do you mean?
Uncle, see, if you don't want to be arrested as a kidnapper, leave me alone. If not, I'll shout. Permission is permission. I'll go to school on Monday.
Hey! What kind of child is this?
Uncle, please come on this your Joe and let me watch film, Joe.
Young man, you say you want to enroll your child in my school.
I'm not his child, though. He's not my father. He's my uncle.
Shut up. He didn't ask you anything. Yes, sir.
Okay. What's your name, sir?
Sir, it's meant that he's doing admission. It's not him, oh. It means that he's supposed to be asking me.
My friend, will you shut up? Am I talking to you? Is that how you behave? Please, young man, what's the name?
My name is K. Brown.
And young lady, what's your name?
My name is Aunty Success.
Auntie what?
My name is Aunty Success now.
Auntie what? Now come this way. My friend, I said come this way. Now look at me in the eyes. What is your name? I say, you tadpole.
My name is Success, man. Wicked.
Next time, if I ask a question, make sure you answer accordingly. Do you hear me? My friend, will you go back there? Come on, will you move it? Young man, please, may I know why she's leaving her former school?
You are fired! You are fired! You are fired!
Hey.
You are fired! You are also fired! You are fired!
Hey!
Because my principal has sacked my teachers.
Huh? Why did he do that?
I don't know.
Anyways, it's a good thing you people are here. You see, this school is not an ordinary institution. This is a citadel of learning, where brains are being harvested. Here, kids are being polished, and they are given a good academic structuring and are prepared to be the leaders of tomorrow as they have been promised. So it's a good thing you brought her here. Normally, I would have just handed you over this form to fill. But first, I need to know her academic capacity and how sound her IQ is, to see if she can fit into the level she's applying for.
What did you say?
I'll need to run an entrance test for her.
Okay.
Oh, what is he saying?
He said you're going to write exam.
No, it's not necessarily an examination. It's just an oral test. I ask her questions, she answers me, and that's all.
Sir, I don't really think that oral question is a good idea. I think I would prefer you should just write something down on the paper. Let her answer so I can mark her.
No, that would be very, that would take time. Look, it doesn't take all that. It's just a minute time, and then we'll wrap it up. And then we'll jump right into the admission proper.
Okay.
So, young lady, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
It's okay. Just a quick one. Assuming I enter inside my room and find 50 million naira on top of my bed. If you were to be in my shoes, what will you do?
Sir, the 50 million, is it your own or somebody kept it today?
I don't know. I just opened my door and then 50 million naira became visible right on top of my bed. Now tell me, if you were in my shoes, what will you do?
Sir, it's not possible.
Huh? Not possible what?
Sir, you don't have 50 million now, and somebody cannot come and...
My friend, is an assumption, an ordinary assumption. Assuming I walk into my room and I found 50 million naira on my bed. If you were in my shoes, what will you do?
Okay. Sir, you said assuming you walk into your room.
Yes.
And 50 million is on your bed. If I'm in your shoe, what will I do?
Go ahead, yes. What will you do if you were in my shoes?
Okay. Sir, if I'm in your shoe, I'll bite that your big toe. I'll bite it very, very well until you fall down and faint. Then I'll come out from your shoe and carry the money and go to my house.
What?
now.
What kind of ignoramus, nincompoop, blockheaded, low mentality person do you have as a child? Do you think you can literally be in my shoes? How can you get there? Who will put you there? Is that person a fool? I mean, that's just a figure of speech. That's just a figure of ironic speech.
Principal, see, you cannot just open your door and see 15 million on your bed. How will you get there? Who's going to put it there? In this economy, is that person a fool? See, Principal, that's not figure of ironic speech. Oh. That is figure of impossible speech. You're dreaming of 50 million naira. Uncle Kebran, I'm going home. Not only 50 million naira, it's 50 million Bitcoin. Shouting anyhow. Look at your baby like toilet brush.
So I told you, it's not good to allow this girl talk. Don't just go ahead and fill this form. So I like your school. Sorry. Actually, Success did not call me to your office. It was her auntie that called me to your office.
And auntie, I thought I had fired you before.
Yes, sir, but you called me back.
Okay. This one you asked Success uncle to come to my office. I hope all is well.
Principal, all is not well, though. The reason why I invited Success uncle to your office is to report Success to you in the presence of her uncle. Principal, this girl is giving me headache.
What happened?
Principal, can you imagine? Success is leading a bad gang in my class.
Me?
Success? Bad gang?
No.
You mean so? Auntie, no now.
Seriously?
Come off it. How will you say this little girl is leading a bad gang in this school? She's just a child.
Yes, exactly. I know that Success can be so many things, but not a gang leader.
Oh. Auntie, tell us what really happened.
Principal, last week Friday, I gave them a test. You have 10 minutes remaining, and once it's 10 minutes, I'm coming to take your answer sheet, whether you're finished or not. And if you get home, tell your friends that I refuse to resume school early, that they have missed my test. Nonsense. In fact, I'm coming to your table to check if anyone is doing my practice in my class. Bia, what have you written?
Nothing.
So you mean for the past 30 minutes I gave you this question, you've not written anything? Not even your name? Hey, get out of my class! Get out! Now listen, if I come to your table and you've not written anything, I will tell your answer sheet and you leave my class. Is that clear?
Yes, Auntie.
Nonsense.
Please, have anybody written anything? No. Have you written anything? No. What are we waiting for now? Auntie, I'm leaving your class for you. If you people like you people should sit down there and write rubbish that is still fair, me, I'm going home. I beg, which kind of test is this? Let us go, Joe.
And principal, that was how all of them left my class. So.
Success! So you're not leading a protest in my school?
No!
So why did you tear your book and make others leave the class?
Principal, see, my auntie said that if you not write anything, that she'll come to assist and tear our book. So I said, instead of her to come to assist and tear our answer sheet, let us just tear it at once. Because we don't know what to write.
Success! How will you say you don't know what to write?
Principal, school just resumed and our teacher have not taught us anything and she gave her test.
Wait, you mean school just resumed and you have not taught them anything and you gave her test? Who does that?
Sorry, sir. Before we left for the holiday, we asked them to study and teach themselves at home because the academic calendar will still be running despite the COVID.
Auntie Sien, you cannot just come and give me tests when you do not teach me anything. Since I'm the one that taught myself, let me give myself the test.
I agree. I agree with her 100%. Since you asked her to teach herself, allow her to give herself test. In fact, let's make this thing to be fair. Once she's through with the test, I'm going to mark it myself. So you will not come now and say that she wrote something that she's not supposed to write. Do you think I like coming to this place?
Don't mind them. They said they will give you somebody test without teaching the person. If God tells people like that without giving 10 commands, they want you to say your answer sheet.
Oh.
Uncle, come and be going a beg. And no protest. Rising, they'll say so say block like it toll gate.
Gentlemen, I'm so sorry for keeping you people waiting. Success. This one you invited your compound people to my office.
Principal, please. We are not her compound people.
Okay.
I'm actually her dad, and this her uncle.
Exactly.
Okay, that means he's your brother then.
No.
Principal, I don't want any problem. I brought them so that they can bear me witness.
Success, what is it?
Ask my auntie.
Auntie, what happened?
Sir, I don't know.
Success, what is the problem?
Principal, my auntie gave us English test and I passed it and she marked bad for me. Please help me ask her why she marked bad for me.
Yes, so.
Auntie, if you gave them tests in the class and she passed, why then did you fail her?
Sir, I gave them tests on English and she got it wrong. That is why I marked her bad.
Okay. Principal, take.
Success, I think what you're trying to spell here is physical.
Yes.
But your spelling here is wrong.
Auntie, what was the question?
Sir, I asked them to spell.
Wait! Auntie, what was the question you asked us?
Sir, the question was, how do you spell physical?
And Success, you wrote F-I-S-I-C-A-L.
Success, the correct spelling for physical is P-H-Y-S-I-C-A-L. That is physical.
Auntie, that is your own spelling for physical.
Hey,
My own and your own are not the same. You asked me how do I spell physical, Abby? Is it your how? Is it your spell? Is it your physical? Auntie English teacher. See, you should better give my correct mark now. If not, this school not enter all of us. English teacher that cannot speak English, that one English teacher. After now, they'll say Success that started.
Principal, please. I think there's an issue somewhere. I think I adopted that child. She's not actually my blood.
Hey! What? Liar!
Uncle K. Brown.
Success.
Good afternoon.
Success, good afternoon. School has closed already.
Yes.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Are you Success auntie?
Yes, I'm Success auntie.
Wow, you are beautiful.
Thank you. I'm actually taking her to the house.
There is no food in the house.
Uncle, but I want food in the morning. Still remaining.
That food, I've given it to the dogs. See, actually, in my house, I don't let food stay more than 2 hours. That's too long. It's not healthy.
Uncle, which dog?
You know what? Let me take you guys to lunch. It's an exclusive place for big boys. I'm sure you're going to like it. Yes, let's just go.
Okay, Success, let's go. Wow, this place is nice.
Yes, just feel at home, relax. You see, this is the place I usually used to come when I want to chill out. Everybody that walks here know who I am. In fact, even the owner of this hotel knows who I am.
Wow.
If I'm not here, it look as if there's nobody.
Are you serious?
In fact, this is where I take my lunch. Here, just like my second kitchen. So you can just feel free to order anything you want. Waiter, come please.
Good afternoon.
Auntie, how much is the rice and chicken?
Success, don't ask of the price of the food. Do you want to embarrass me? Use the menu. Don't mind Success, you forgot herself. You can make your order.
Alright, give me fried rice and chicken. Okay, fried rice and chicken.
Yes, fried rice and chicken too for me.
Okay, same.
In fact, fried rice and chicken for all of us.
Okay, I'll get that shortly.
Just feel free, Just feel free. In fact, see, here just like my home. But if care is not taken, I might even buy here very soon.
Wow, that would be nice though.
I hope you're enjoying here. Oh, food is here already. Oh, their food are so nice. Just look at the packaging. Trust me, you love it. Just wait until you open the food and you see what I'm talking about.
Alright, enjoy.
I open the food.
Wow!
You love it, right?
I love it!
Their food here is excellent.
More than excellent.
That's what I'm talking about. In fact, I even gave them the recipe they're using cooking this food.
Uncle, this food looks so expensive. Oh.
Success. Excuse me. Success, come, let's have a word,
Uncle, what did I do now?
Success, why are you embarrassing me, Look how you're trying to make it look as if I don't have money.
But Uncle, do you have money?
Even if I don't have money, can't I be able to pay for food? There's no amount they sell food that I cannot be able to pay. It's food they eat. See, let me tell you. Stop saying anything about price. Respect yourself. Don't put sand in my gario. I said don't put sand in my gario. We just went out to iron one or two things. Wow, you've almost finished your food. Wow, that was so fast. Waiter, bring the POS. How much is the bill? All of them.
It's 7,000 naira total.
Oh, 7,000, that is cheap. Make it 8,000 naira and keep the change.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you very much, sir. You're so generous.
Yes, that's how star do.
Alright, your pin.
Yes, let's enjoy ourselves. Success! Success!
Yes, Uncle!
Come here. Success. Can you imagine that your auntie did not call me back after everything I did for her yesterday? She could not even call me back. I even sent her transportation money to go back and sent her 2,000 naira airtime this morning, and she could not even call me back to say thank you.
Leave her alone now. Maybe she doesn't like you.
What do you mean?
Uncle, see, love is not about sending money and going to fancy places or showing off. It is about being with the person who make you happy in a way nobody else can.
Director, is this part of our line?
That line is too strong for a kid though, and it's not even part of her script. But it works. You guys should just continue. And action.
I'm beginning to suspect you're the reason why your auntie is not picking my call. Because yesterday you were busy disgracing me, making me look small. You're there pricing things. Anyway, I have another date and you are following me to that date.
Uncle, I'm not following you. I'm going to start home here.
You are going to follow me because the last time I left in this house, you nearly destroyed all my things. So you need to follow me so that I can keep my eyes on you. She's even calling. Hello? Hello? Yes! 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 Tomorrow now! Yes! Do you like the place?
Yeah, I love it.
Yes, actually this place was opened last week. Yes, specifically for the rich. People with class. I come here to chill all the time. So, feel comfortable. You can just order whatever you want to eat.
I don't want food. Can I get a drink?
Drink? So, what do you want to drink?
Champagne.
Oh, champagne? Champagne? Okay. Champagne it is. Waiter.
Good day, sir. Good day,
Waiter, get us 2 bottles of champagne.
Champagne. Alright. Why 2? We can share one now.
No. I love to drink straight from the bottle. We know they use cup. 2 bottles of champagne.
Alright, I'm coming.
I like your hair.
Thank you.
Most especially your smile.
Yes, sir.
Oh, here's the champagne. Wow, this is nice. Alcohol. Can you get her juice?
Okay, juice.
Please, how much is the juice?
Get that juice.
Okay.
Success, how many times will I warn you that you stop saying price every time we go on a date? What is wrong with you? Do you want to spoil my date? Do you want to spoil my packaging?
Uncle, have you come here before?
And so I have 50,000 naira in my account. How much is juice? Respect yourself, fool.
What? 800,000 naira for champagne? Is he a heaven?
800,000!
No, don't pop it! Don't pop it! Hey, jackpot my life! 800,000! 800,000! Hey, I'm finished! Hey, you shouldn't have popped it! 800,000!
After party, party after party, party after party, after party after party, party after party, party after party, party after party, after
Ha ha ha!